What's up, guys? Zach here. Got some boxes done a little early. We've had a crazy dip, but it's super wet, and I mean it's like 34 right now, 36, something like that. And by the morning it'll be 34, but tomorrow night it could be down like 27, and then it goes back up to like lows in the 40s, 50s, daytimes in the 50s, 60s. So just kind of a weird dip, but we get one from time to time, but not usually wet like this. It's been raining for 2 days straight and cold, so I just got to jump on them. But decided this year, this far side is still foam board, but the front and the roof is clear. And this side is foam, except for a window. And then the back is also clear. So we've always done the top clear and then a window, but I don't know. I thought about doing all 4 walls clear, but we'll see. I just don't know how well that works. I guess other places do it that get a lot colder than us, and it stays heated in there. So, but I definitely like the clear. So, kind of just glows. But yeah, there's the Sable Mexicana put away for at least 2-3 days, then it'll come back out because it's, like I said, it's going to be more than warm enough for probably a few more weeks, maybe even a month. I mean, last year this guy didn't get covered until late December. So there you have it.